This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Denise Mongiardo. 5 peaceful wooded acres in a great location. House has a lot of character with wood beams, fireplace and open floor plan. Located in the Jonesville area, close to shopping and restaurants and other businesses. Clay Electric serves this property. House roof 2017 and hot water heater 2021. New well winter of 2020. Septic tank for each house and one well serves both. Both the house and mobile home are tenant occupied. Tenants are month to month. Please do not enter property without speaking to listing agents first. Dogs on premises. 24 hours notice is preferable. For more information, review the details below or contact Denise Mongiardo at 352-225-4700.